board, and I wanted to show some of you new Cricut users how to use the contour button and when you might need to use that. These are files from a new project I'm doing, and it's a shop. And because if you'll look up here, we have all these little pieces that look similar. Those are trim pieces for the walls. And because they are so similar, when we made the SVG files, we grouped them like all together here, like this. So all of the side wall, left side walls together, all of the front wall, all of the right wall is all together. So that's fine if you want to cut it out of all the same material, such as craft board or cardboard or something like that. But if you're going to create this out of cardstock and you want your trim pieces to be a different color than your walls, then you'll need to separate these out and change the colors on them. So this is how you do that. You need to right click and choose detach. Then you want to click on it again and come all the way down to the right hand corner and you'll see contour. Click on contour. Now contour will show you all of the shapes that are in that one file. And you want to turn off, you actually need two of these, and you want to turn off parts of it. So for this one, let's just turn off the trim. So you click on it and click on it, click, 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 and down here at the bottom is the last one, and click. So now you can tell that only this one is darkened. Click the X, and now you see we only have this one shape here. If you right click and duplicate, you could have duplicated this at the beginning instead of at the end. So I'm going to move this one out of the way. Whoops, sorry. Once you do that, you will have to attach this score line again. So you want to select the whole thing, right click, attach. Now your score line moves with your wall. So let's get that out of the way. Here's the one that we duplicated. If you right click, or I'm sorry, just click on it and then go down to contour again, and you'll see these pieces or trim pieces are still here. So let's turn the trim pieces back on by clicking those. And then we're going to turn the wall off by clicking it, and you have to click any cutout areas as well. Click the X, and now you see we have the trim pieces. So now you can cut the trim pieces out of one color and the walls out of another color. Another thing I want to show you, you have this. Let's change the color on this by clicking the color square at the top, and let's make it this blue color. So if you go over here to make it, and you look at the blue, it's going to set it up on the mat just like it is. So you're going to waste material here. So I'm going to click cancel. So one thing you can do is separate these out. So let's get a square shape, and let's lay it on top of this first part. Now we're going to select it all, and then we're going to come down to the bottom where it says slice. Click slice. Now we can get rid of that. We can get rid of this. And now these are independent from these two. So now you can put these together, select them all, right click, and attach. So now let's look and see what happens when we try to make it. And now you can see they're all grouped together as one thing, and they're closer, and you're not wasting material. So that's how you use a file when it's been grouped together like this. And again, we did that because for this specific project, most of you will be making the base project out of one material, and you won't need to do this. But for those who do want to change it up, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, you can always reach me through the blog at Putz House Monthly, which is where this project will go, or the covered chipboard. So thanks for watching, and I hope that helps some of you out.